Hi there, I'm glad you're tuning in with me today. Hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all the analytics behind the growth of my channel. And yeah, maybe this interests you because you as a subscriber, liking, commenting on my videos has been one of the main success factors of this channel and led to the growth that I've experienced. So I'm very appreciative of that. A big thanks to everyone that is liking, commenting on the videos. The growth of my channel wouldn't be possible without your help. So yeah, in this video, I'll be sharing with you all the numbers behind the channel, how many views I get in the last month or the last year, the revenue, the audience, the demographic, the age range of my viewers, and a lot of juicy information I'm sure you'll find interesting. With that said, let's dive right into the video with the numbers. All right, so this is what the back end of YouTube analytics looks like. I'm really happy about this month's performance. My views are up. My channel got 29,106 views in the last 28 days. I've got a few videos that have been performing pretty well, so I'm happy with that. The watch time is at 1.7k hours, 1,700 hours. It's mind-blowing how long the accumulated view duration is on my videos. An incredible 559 subscribers, and that's also mainly due to a shout out that I received from Mad Crypto MX, a Spanish YouTuber. I'm really happy about that. It was about my Cardano video. I'll link his channel down below, so if you want to check it out, if you understand Spanish, then feel free to do so. The estimated revenue we'll look at the end of the video. My most popular videos in the last 20 days, Cardano is bullish, been a very popular video. 2,813 views. Long time popular video has been how to decrypt encrypted files by ransomware. This has been something that's been searched a lot over the last 6 months, as many people have been infected through ransomwares. And then in the third place is the Kraken exchange tutorial, super popular video. And newly is the Uniswap exchange, also super popular. Let's look at the reach. That means how many people see my thumbnails, how many people click on these videos, and also how many views I've got and the unique viewers. Impressions, 296,000 people have seen my thumbnails. However, only a portion of them have clicked. So 20,000 unique viewers, and impression click-through rate is 6%. That means how many people of these 296,000 have clicked on my videos. So I'm happy with all these numbers. As you can see, they've grown. The impressions compared to last month have grown 13%. Click-through rate, that means my thumbnails are a bit more interesting, has also increased by 7% compared to last month. And the views increased by over 40% of the last month, so really happy about that. So let's quickly look at the last 365 days. So as you can see here at the beginning, last year, not a lot of growth happened, but a lot of growth happened around December with my two most popular videos, Should I Buy Ethereum series. I released two videos on if Ethereum is a good asset, explaining what Ethereum does, also explaining in detail what Ethereum staking is and Ethereum 2.0 Serenity upgrade. Those two videos were super popular and they led my channel to gain a lot of traction over the winter months. And then around April, I gained quite a lot of traction with also quite a few popular videos, including all my Ethereum 2.0 testnet installation guides and some Ethereum 2.0 news. So all in all, super happy. Now the impressions are at 1.7 million. So that means 1.7 million people have seen my thumbnails. This is just an incredibly mind-blowing number. The views in the last 365 days was 170,000 people have seen my videos at least once. Amazing. All right, let's look at engagement. Let's go back to 28 days. Engagement, 1.7k hours, and average view duration is 3 minutes and 32 seconds. So a 4% increase. Pretty good. Now the audience is also super interesting. It shows information about where people are living, the people that are watching my videos, and what time is best for me to post. I think this is fantastic. So here you get some information when your viewers are on YouTube and when is the best time to post. So the darker blue colored sections is the times when more people are on YouTube. And for me, it's better to post a little bit before these blue sections, because that means that more people are going to likely watch my videos. And what is also super interesting is the top countries. Where are the people living that watch my videos? So the biggest segment is the United States with 26.4%, India with 6.7%. So hi, all my Indian viewers. United Kingdom with 5.8%, Germany with 3.1%, and Australia with 3%. So really happy to see that there's a very wide demography of people. Also, what's super interesting is the age and gender of my viewers. Female, 5.9%. I have seen that this has increased quite a bit. I think it was lower before. And male at 94.1%. And the age range, it does make quite a lot of sense that most viewers are going to be in a similar age range as me. So between 25 and 34 years. Second age segment is 35 to 44 years. And that's at 28.4%, and also 18 to 24 years is 70%. And I think this is incredibly interesting, because the people there that are between 18 to 24 and already starting to learn about finance, DeFi, cryptocurrency and things like that, I think they're going to have a very bright future, because they're already making a lot of good decisions and educating themselves on this subject. So I think this is incredible that a lot of younger viewers are watching the content. Fantastic. All right, last section, and then maybe probably the one that you're looking forward to the most, is the revenue. How much I've been earning with my ads that sometimes are placed on my videos. So in the last 28 days, I earned $192.34. That's a 54% increase since last month. And I think this is incredible. I'm really grateful that I've got such a high revenue on YouTube. I know many YouTubers are struggling with how much they get paid on YouTube, and I must say I'm super grateful that I'm in a niche that pays pretty well. It's like above average compared to many other YouTubers. I've seen other videos similar like this one, where fitness or vlogger YouTubers have maybe $1 or $2 CPM. That means they'd be earning 50 cents or 80 cents per 1,000 views. And my playback-based CPM is $16.94. It varies. Sometimes it's a bit higher, sometimes it's a bit lower. And the RPM has an average of $6.61. So as you can see here, this average changes on some days. My playback-based CPM is a lot higher. So here on the 29th of July, it was $24. And it might be lower. On the 9th of August, it was $12. If you want to know how much I earned since I actually started being a partner on YouTube, and I think that's more than 3 months ago. So I'll go last 365 days. And I became a partner on the 29th of April, 2020. From then to now is $606. So that's fantastic. So the monthly estimated revenue in April is only $5. May was $188. June $130. July $171. And August $110. The top earning videos, my biggest cash cow is the Kierin exchange tutorial 2020, buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other cryptocurrencies. That's got 1/5 of my revenue, and it's lying at $119. The second one is how to buy Bitcoin with $47.34. What is super incredible with these top earners is that they've got an incredibly high CPM. And I think it's around $30 or $40 if I'm not mistaken. So I will have to look at that. So yes, the Kierin exchange tutorial has a CPM of $31. I've seen CPMs much higher than that. I think I've seen CPMs of $40 or $50. I'm not sure if I find an example here, but I'm super happy about that. All right, here I've got another one, how to install the trust wallet. It's got a CPM of $35. I had much higher CPMs, but to be honest, I'm super happy with the CPM that I've got. All right, so I hope you found this video interesting. I'll be away for the next 10 days. I'm going meditating. I'm doing a Vipassana retreat in Switzerland. So I won't be able to answer any comments during the next 10 days. I won't have access to my phone or to the internet. I won't be talking for 10 days. And it's going to be an incredible experience. I'm looking forward to it. So with that said, if you've got any questions about my channel, about YouTube in general, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll probably be making another one of these videos in 6 months time, and I think it's going to be interesting to compare the growth my channel has experienced now and the growth it will experience in the next 6 months. Super excited about all the videos that will come. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit the like button, hit subscribe, join me on this journey as we go through this DeFi adventure together. With that said, I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.